Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games not opening on Windows 11. If you click play in Steam and nothing happens, or the game briefly launches and then closes, this quick guide will walk you through several simple fixes that solve the problem for most players. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important step. First, start with the simplest fix, restarting Steam. Completely close Steam from the system tray or task manager, then open it again and try launching the game one more time. Sometimes the client just gets stuck in the background and a restart clears it instantly. Next, try running Steam as administrator. Close Steam again, then right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop and select Run as administrator. This gives Steam full permissions on Windows 11 and can fix games that fail to start because of restricted access. If the game still will not open, verify the integrity of the game files. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game that will not launch and choose Properties. Then click Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically re-download any missing or corrupted files. Finally, restart your Windows 11 computer and try launching the game again. A full system restart clears background conflicts and often resolves stubborn launch issues. If this tutorial helped you fix your Steam game, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows and gaming fixes.